Hey everyone! Are you always looking for healthy snacks that satisfy your cravings? Today I'm sharing some awesome ideas to keep you munching guilt-free. First up, let's tackle those sweet cravings. How about dark chocolate squares with almonds? Yum! Or fresh fruit with a dollop of yogurt. If you're feeling adventurous, a homemade trail mix with dried cranberries is fantastic. Now, for my savory lovers out there, whole grain crackers with cheese are a classic. Mixed nuts with a touch of sea salt are super satisfying. And don't forget air pop popcorn with herbs. Delicious and crunchy. Need a boost of energy? Try apple slices with almond butter or carrot sticks with hummus. Greek yogurt with honey and granola is another great option for a quick pick-me-up. Remember, snacking smart is key. Choose portion-controlled servings. Balance your nutrients. Think protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs, and always listen to your body's signals. Are you really hungry or just craving something? Quick tip: pre-portion your snacks into containers for easy access. Keep those healthy options within reach. Combine protein and complex carbs for sustained energy. And stay hydrated. Sometimes thirst can feel like hunger. That's it for today. Happy, healthy snacking, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.